Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Awais. I am the group leader of the project Odoo Business Management System. Let me first begin with introducing our group members. As you can see right now on your screens, these are our group members. I'm glad to say that this project was a great journey. We have done a great job in explaining each and every module. More specifically, we have done and covered HRM, CRM, employees hierarchy. Then we have covered how to create invoices, send invoices, how to manage inventory, how to send tasks, and how to give different people different access to the system. This journey was amazing and it was a great experience of learning. Our group member and team members have done a great job. I hope you will enjoy this video and you will learn a lot. And after watching this video, you can create your own Odoo business management system. This whole process of the video, you are going to listen my voice and I'm going to instruct you and tell you each and every part, how we done this, how we tackle the issues, how we face the physical issues as well. So we really hope that you are going to like this video. Let's begin with the video. Okay, so now we are on the Odoo module selection dashboard. Here we are going to select all the modules that we need. So first of all, we are going to select sales and CRM. Then we are going to select invoice. Then we are going to select inventory, moving towards the last part, employees in human resource. These are the 5 modules. Continue. Then we are going to enter our company name and first and last name. I just entered my roll number and my name as well. Then email ID. After email ID and number, you are going to get the code. Entering the code, you will get to the main dashboard. Now you have to active the email. Then let's move towards the employees section. Under employees section, we are going to create the first employee. Before creating the employee, I am going to create the department, and this is the department section. Here we are creating the department, which is HR and talent acquisition. And then I am selecting right now the location, or you can say the office on and off days. Then save it, and then we are going to create another department, which is engineering and product. In this, we are going to add myself as a manager. But here's the thing, this is the wrong way to add the managers, but this is the part of learning, so we are going to correct it later. Same goes for usual work hours. We are not going to select here right now. Let's check it out what we have done. So we have created 2 things, 2 departments. Now I am going to select the department for myself, and which is going to be engineering and product. Then we are going to save it by clicking the button, and let's move back to employees section. Now I am going to add myself as a manager. Again, this is the wrong way, and later we know that we are going to fix all these issues, hierarchical issues, later in the video. And this is the 2 employees and 2 departments under which there are 2 employees. Now I am creating the employees itself. In the employees section, first I have entered the name, then I have entered the email, and after entering the email, you can also add the number and the address. Now I am selecting the department that I have created earlier in the department section. Now I am entering the job title and job description. Both can be same and both can be different. So now lastly, I'm going to also add the usual work location and work hours as well. Maybe you can say off days, on days, or whatever. You can select them or add them as well by selecting search more. then saving it, and here you go with the new employee, and create a user, and that's all. Then I'm going to now add other members. The same process is repeated task, so that's why the video is a bit fast, 2x fast. Let's complete the whole process of adding different employees in different departments. Right now we have 2 departments, but we have to create more departments later, and we are going to create more departments. So just checking out everything is right. Now I see that I have employees, but departments are very low, so I am going to add new departments, which is sales and marketing, and giving it a color code as well, a manager name. Again, the manager name I am not going to add right now. I am going to save it, go to employees section. Now under employees section, I am going to check whether that department has been implemented or not. Now I am going to add other employees as well. So this is the most lengthy part in this video, because there are a lot of employees that you have to enter, and we have to manually enter all the employees, and there is no such type of way that we can create new employees without doing everything manually. So we have to do everything manually. Now I am going back to employees section, checking out which employees are missing, entering again the new employees. Now again adding managers, but again, as you can see in this, Rida Farhan is managing Rida Farhan itself, so it's not like, it should not be like this. इसके लिए होना ये चाहिए कि रिदा फरहान को रिपोर्ट करना चाहिए मुझे, बट रिदा फरहान मुझे नहीं रिपोर्ट करी. So that's why in this right now we are going to fix it, and we are fixing it by adding proper hierarchical structure. As you can see on the left side, when we change the hierarchical structure, it is going to be implemented properly, as you can see on the left side of the screen. And now everything is fixed that was not fixed before. The hierarchy is fixed, and there are some few changes here and there that I have to do, and we are checking out what we have to change. And again, because I am the CEO and CTO, all the managers has to report me, and each department has his own manager, and everybody is going to report to that manager rather than reporting to themselves or reporting to me. Now checking everything is working perfectly. All the employees, all the departments are there, and you can view the departments and the employees in different views. Now I am adding a new department as well, and this is the right way to add the manager. Uh, Under department, you can, when you create a department, you will have a field to add a manager, and you can add that manager. As you can see right now, we have facing a small issue of connection. Working offline is, you can say, an icon or a symbol that nothing is going to be saved and your work is not going to be basically saved. So we are going to restore the connection, and I am now trying to get the manager names but couldn't be able to because we have to refresh the page, and I'm going to refresh the page and then coming back and fixing all the issues. Okay, so now everything is working, and I'm adding myself as a manager, and this is the main department in which only CEOs are going to be working. I mean, CEO किसी और को report नहीं करेगा. Now let's move towards sections and checking out whether everything is working perfectly. There are no employees which are not entered. I am checking out whether somebody is missing from the list, or is there is any entry which is entered 2 times and I got it, and I'm going to remove this entry or modify this. So अब जो आप देख रहे हैं मिनाइल फैसल ये 2 दफ़ा है. आई हैव टू बेसिकली मॉडिफाई दिस एंट्री बिकॉज कई बार होता है सिस्टम रजिस्टर नहीं करता, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. सो अब मैं बेसिकली करूँगा ये कि मैं जॉब पोजीशन एंड जॉब टाइटल बदल दूँगा, और इसके अलावा आई एम गोइंग टू ऑल्सो चेंज द डिपार्टमेंट एज वेल. विद दिस होप सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी रिजॉल्व्ड. Now I am checking in list view that everything is perfect, and yep, everything is good to go. Now let's go in settings again, and let's now send the invitations to each person. I am using a method which is very slow, sending invitation one by one to each person, but you can select everybody, and then basically you can send the bulk invitations. Okay, I have successfully sent the invitation to all the members except one, and it has been done. Now let's move towards the inventory, adding new products. And in the products section, first of all, we are going to check whether it's a tangible or intangible asset. So it's a service, so it's an non-tangible. So it's a cloud hosting. Customer order, create an order. That means when an order comes, what is going to happen? It is going to create a task. So I am adding that कि जब order आएगा तो एक task create कर देना. It is going to be automated. Then किसको ये आपने सर्विस जो है ये किसको देनी है, आपने किस मैनेजर को बेसिकली हमने देनी है? ये हमने फुल स्टैक मैनेजर को देनी है, जो डेवलपर है, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर, क्योंकि उसका काम है ये होस्टिंग करना, और वो मैनेजर है, और उसके बाद वो आगे रिपोर्ट करेगा इन सब चीज़ों को. हमने प्राइस रख ली, हमने कैटेगरी बता दी, एंड दैट्स ऑल. इसके बाद हम इसको सेव कर देंगे, एंड आफ्टर सेविंग वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड सम अदर प्रोडक्ट्स एज वेल बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन न्यू बटन, एंड दिस इज़ द रिपीटिव टास्क अगेन, सो इट्स 2x फास्टर. Okay, so I am now going to add a new tangible asset, which is a high-end laptop, developer laptop, which is basically in our inventory. But again, this inventory means कि जो आपके पास सामान पड़ा है आपके लिए या आपके जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उनके लिए और कस्टमर्स. So ये हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए होगा, not for the customers. I'm adding the barcode as well, a random barcode, and then saving it. Now let's check how many products we have here, and let me add us one more product, which is a special device for testing, and it's a USB. And same, because it's a tangible asset, so we have to select the good. Basically, goods mean something which is tangible mostly. Then we are also going to add the track inventory because it's again tangible. And making sure that I have done a small mistake that 50 units, it is not going to capture units because it is going to only capture the quantity in numeric values. Now let's just save it after adding the category, and I have saved it successfully. Now let's generate some scripts, I mean receipts, and these receipts are for our own company, not for the customers. So I'm going to add the name from which the receipt is being generated. Then I'm going to add the product, demand, and giving a source document number, a random number, a unique and random number through which we can identify that receipt. This is a schedule date. We can modify it if we want, but I am not going to modify it right now. Now I have validated it and it's marked as done, and now I am checking the additional information under which I see myself. It is good to go. Now, because I have locked it, automatically it becomes locked so that you can edit or accidentally add or delete something. Now let's have a look how it basically looks like. It is going to provide you a PDF of a receipt, and you can see how it looks like. Our logo is going to be there where it says your logo, and the receipt number, date, and from which person it is going to be generated. Now let's move towards the invoices part. This is the part that is going to be for the customers, and this is the receipt for the customers basically. Now let me add the new receipt and give it some sort of ID. Again, this ID is going to be unique, and I am entering TH Tetra 01 so that this can continue from Tetra 02, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. And now I am going to add a random customer, or you can say it has suggested me a random customer, or you can say any kind of random company. Invoice date, which is very important. Due date is also highly important because after that this invoice is going to be invalid. Now adding products. And because this is the invoice for the customers, you can add the intangible products as well in the receipt. checking the other informations as well. Now the salesperson is going to be myself as well, but we can add other salespersons. Like here, maybe I can add, but I'm not going to add. And sales team, we are going to select the sales team, which is going to be Rida Farhan. In the setting, you can give the access to Rida Farhan or HR, whatever the access you want to give. Different departments can have different access, different employees can have different access. You can add the payment method, and auto post method is going to be basically posting the mail or the invoice basically to the customer. Now we are going to confirm it. As you can see on the right side, right top, it's draft. When I saved it, it is going to be now posted. Now I'm going to print it, and I'm going to change the logo and the fonts and the other things as well, which I want to make changes. This is basically just formatting the receipt, or you can say the invoice. And again, this is for the customer, not for the company. And that's why we proper template here that we can modify. Now I am going to edit the template for the email and click send, and it is going to be sending to the person, and as you can see, it's labeled as sent. Now let's move again towards the dashboard. As you can see, I am on the dashboard, and now let's come towards the sale part, and I'm going to click on new. Then I'm going to add the name of the company, the same name that we have done previously, the same company.
There are a few details that we are also going to add here about the product which are being sold, and this is basically the details of the person and the details of the product that we have sold. And I am just selecting random, but this shouldn't be random. This should be exactly same as we have done in the invoice. I'm not going to select the online payment because it is going to be highly complicated for us to set up right now. So, but you can select the online payment as well. Now let's send it out, and basically it is going to send to the team members and as well as to the customer. We are going to preview. Here we can see that how does the basically preview looks like. Now let's just finish it up, and by viewing how basically the invoice is looking, and it looks good, and now I think we can move on and just last checks, few checks here and there. As you can see, everything is good to go. And now the last part, which is CRM. Here we are going to manage the opportunities or leads, and we are going to give different names, IDs, and as well as the priority by giving the stars. More the priority, more chances that we are going to check on them. On the other hand, we are also going to make sure that we have created 3 leads or opportunities, and now we are going to randomly select one, and we are going to mark it as done. And what is going to happen is, okay, so this message was only for because we have sent it a lot of messages, and that's why we are receiving this, but that's okay. Now basically what we are going to do is we are going to send the new quotations to the people, but unfortunately we couldn't, but that's okay. As you can see, the Alishba has won the opportunity, which is 3,000 amount, and that means out of 3 quotations, the 1 quotation had worked. So that's all.
Okay, so it seems that you have reached the end of all the modules and learning session. This was an amazing session, and we hope that you learn a lot of things and you will appreciate our work. Thank you so much for your time and for your patience as well. This is Muhammad OS sending off. Allah Hafiz.